Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions, and it has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum with more than 1100 likes, which means that it works. So search for Visual C++ redistributable packages in the Google search bar and click on this option, the Microsoft.com option. So this will redirect you to Microsoft website and it will automatically download the redistributable package. All you need to do is click on the install button and then click on install and then click on install once again. Now I have this in my system already, so it won't install, but you can install it. Okay. And the latest one is to the 2015 one. Now usually this should fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then you can perform an SFC scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a DISM restore health scan. I will share its command in the description section of this video. You can copy and paste it here in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter. And this will fix the problem for sure. If it was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.